Good afternoon, Tapsosh sir.
Good afternoon, Joy. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, sir, but I've been thinking about how I can improve my English. I want to be more fluent, especially in speaking and writing. Could you help me with that?
Of course, Joy. That's a great goal to have. English fluency can open up so many opportunities. Let's start by understanding your current challenges. What do you think is holding you back?
Well, I think my grammar is decent, but I often get stuck when trying to express myself. Sometimes, I can't find the right words, and I get nervous when speaking with others. Writing is also tricky because I am not always sure how to make my sentences flow better.
I see. Those are common concerns, but the good news is they're entirely fixable with practice and the right strategies. Let's address these one at a time. First, for speaking fluently, the key is confidence and consistent practice. Do you get enough opportunities to speak English?
Not really, sir. I mostly speak Bengali at home and with friends. I only use English in formal settings or when writing.
That's a good start, but let's create more opportunities for you to practice. You can join an English-speaking group or even try talking to yourself in English about your day. Have you heard of shadowing?
No, sir. What's that?
It's a technique where you listen to someone speak in English, like in a podcast or a video, and repeat what they say in real time. It helps improve pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence structure. Would you like to try that?
That sounds interesting. I think I can try it with some YouTube videos.
Excellent. Now, for your writing skills, the best way to improve is through regular practice. Start by keeping a daily journal in English. Write about simple things, like what you did today or your thoughts on a topic. Over time, you'll notice your writing becoming more natural.
That's a good idea, sir. Should I focus on grammar when writing, or just write freely?
Start by writing freely to get your thoughts out. Once you're done, review it for grammar and structure. You'll learn more effectively by correcting your own mistakes. Also, reading good English material, books, blogs, or articles, will expose you to new vocabulary and writing styles.
That makes sense. Do you have any book recommendations for beginners?
Yes, you can start with short stories or novels like The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho or Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. They have simple language, but are rich in expression. You can also try reading newspapers like The Times of India or The Hindu to build your vocabulary.
I'll definitely check those out. Thank you, sir. What about grammar? Are there specific exercises I should do?
Grammar is important, but it doesn't have to be boring. Use apps like Duolingo or Grammarly to practice. For more detailed learning, books like Wren and Martin can help. However, remember that grammar is best learned in context. Focus on how it's used in real conversations and writing.
Got it, sir. One last thing, how can I stay motivated? Sometimes, I lose interest after a few days.
That's a valid concern. Set small, achievable goals, like learning 5 new words daily or writing a paragraph each day. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Also, remind yourself of why you want to improve your English, whether it's for better opportunities, confidence, or personal growth.
Thank you, sir. This has been really helpful. I'll start practicing these tips right away.
You're welcome, Joy. I'm always here to help. Don't hesitate to share your progress or any challenges you face. Remember, consistency is key. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. I'll do my best.
That's the spirit. Have a great day, Joy.
You too, sir.